Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is formula. A formula is an algorithm that derives its value from other fields, expressions or values. It can help us automatically calculate the value of a field based on other fields. It is a read-only field. The value of formula field evaluate from expression defined by us. If we update any value in the expression, it automatically updates formula field value. Formula is a data type that will result in the form of checkbox, currency, date time, text, number, percent. Formula are classified into two types: simple formula, advanced formula. Simple formula: when we want to write the logic using only fields of the object, values of these fields are computed using simple logic. Advanced formula: when we want to write the logic using fields of the object and its parent object, values of these fields are computed based on complex logic using predefined functions provided by Salesforce. Steps to create formula: setup, build, create objects, choose object, custom fields and relationships, click new. Step 1, choose data type as formula. Step 2, choose return type. Step 3, enter formula. Step 4, establish field level security. Step 5, click save button. Example. For example, let's take student object. There are fields like first name, last name, date of birth, address, country, state. Here I have to calculate the age of particular student by his date of birth field using formula data type. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. So for doing this use case, we have to click on student object. Let's see all the fields are available here or not. Here first name, last name, address, country, state is there, but date of birth is not there. We have to add a field by the name date of birth. At the right side, one quick access menu is there. By clicking on that, here also we can view the fields, view objects, validation rules, and so many things we can do from here also. Let's see how we can do. Click on new. So I have to create one field by the name date of birth. So I am taking date data type and clicking on next. Field label is date of birth, DOB. Field name is date of birth. Click on next. Simply click on next, establish field level security, and finally click on save button. So right now we had created date of birth of the data type date. So coming back to our student object, let's see date of birth is there or not. So while providing the date of birth of a particular student, I have to calculate the age of that particular student. For that, what I have to do, I have to create one formula. While creating the formula, again I have to click on right side, quick access menu, and view fields. There is a plus new. If I need to create one new field, then simply I am going to click new. So choosing formula, click on next. Field label is age. I am calculating age, and return type would be one number. I'm not taking any decimal number, so I am getting one whole number. Clicking on next, and here we should have to provide the formula. So how you are going to calculate the formula, or how you are going to write the formula? See what the thing I have to calculate means, from today I am subtracting the date of birth of a particular student. So for that, how to write the formula? Today, today is function, and I am subtracting the DOB underscore underscore C, because this is custom field, and whole I am dividing with 365. This is the formula. Means this date of birth I am subtracting with today and dividing with 365. Check the syntax is right or not. So no syntax error is there. Click on next. Establish field level security. Click on next. Finally, click the save button. So coming to our student object, clicking on the new record. Here I am providing the student name Aman, and going for date of birth. Aman date of birth. Let's see. I am taking the date of birth like 1/1/2000, and clicking on save button. See, it's subtracting from 1st of January 2000 to till date he is of 21 years old. This is how formula field is working. Thank you.